I'm called Tezira and I am from Kampala, Uganda, and I'm pleased to be at Laserfit. I'm happy for the vision I have today. I suffer from keratoconus, which is more advanced in my left eye than it is in my right eye, so my left eye correction was a pretty difficult task for Dr. G. It's been an eye-opening moment for me to be able to have a vision that had deteriorated to the point where my left eye barely had, it just had perception of light, but anything more than that, any vision making out of objects was nearly impossible. However, the prescription has come down to, he says, 20/25 in my left eye and 20/15 in my right eye. And I'm pretty pleased. I can go back to living my life as it was. I can go back to being a student. It's very emotional. I'm looking forward to getting back my life, a life that I gave up close to 15 years ago. I've just been struggling to get by, but now I know. I'm just 30 years old, so I should be able to make the best of the rest of my life ahead. So thank you so much, Ashley. Thank you, Dr. G. You're both godsend. Thank you. So I got to know Laserfit from YouTube. And they also have a Facebook page, which I used to send my first message to Dr. G. I got a very prompt response, I think within an hour. Dr. G had responded to me. And it was, whenever you're ready, please let us know. It was a pretty straightforward process of scheduling the appointment. It was, when do you think you'll have time? And we make time for you. It's not a size fits all. It's customized. It will be customized to your particular condition, and the overall fit of the scleral lens is it's very comfortable. I have them in right now and life is good. I must say it's very good. The removal and insertion process, it's a learning curve, but it takes me 1 or 2 tries now. Taking it out, the removal process is pretty easy as well. It's not a difficult process. Your tools, your little tools here, is what you will use for the insertion and the removal. So with my Laserfit lens, I have, Dr. G calls it 20/25 vision in the left eye, which is, it's an unimaginable improvement. It was probably 2400 in my left eye. I could not see at all. To have it at 20/25, damn, I see color. I see straight lines now. In my right eye, it's 20/15. Perfect vision, better than what the average person or vision, average person has. Which the average person has 20/20 vision. Mine is 20/15, so it's perfect. It's